Baylor job going to Eugene?
Yes, it is. And I know a lot of people out there are going to say, what? With all the sexual scandal allegations going on at Baylor? But here's why. Understand this. Football is about recruiting. It's about the Jims and Joes. It's not about the X's and O's. And let's be honest, guys, nobody really wants to go to Eugene anymore. What made Oregon great is a fast-paced offense, Chip Kelly, and a lot of jazzy uniforms, and Nike. Well, guess what? Everybody has a fast-paced offense, everybody's sponsored by Nike, and everybody has money right now. And so I think when you look at it that way, to me, Oregon isn't as attractive anymore. Whereas if you go to Baylor, think about this. Baylor is still in Texas. What's in Texas? A ton of high school football players. And so in my opinion, even though Baylor went through the sexual scandal, think about what Penn State did, Paul. Penn State went through something just as horrific. But guess what? James Franklin came in, and after Bill O'Brien, they turned that thing around. I think Rhule can do the same thing at Baylor because the recruits are there in Texas.
By the way, Booger, Kevin Plank just texted me, so a couple of people are still represented by Under Armour.
Everybody's wearing Nike, Paul.
Everybody. You know, Molly, I rolled my eyes a minute ago because Booger makes some really good points, but I still think Baylor is flawed. It has great facilities. Briles did a great job of building the foundation there, and then he nearly destroyed it. And I'm still not sure that's over with yet. We don't know if the NCAA will do anything. They probably won't. But I still think you have issues out there. You have a board of regents who really have yet to be fully investigated in this matter. We haven't gotten to the bottom of Baylor, and I think that's going to have a deleterious effect on high school recruiting. And that's one reason why Matt Rhule has a 7-year contract. He doesn't have pressure on him right now. He doesn't have the expectation. Maybe he preferred that, but I still believe the right person can lead Oregon back. This program has not completely imploded. Yeah, it hit an iceberg. It may not have been as big an iceberg as the Titanic hit, and it's losing water quickly, but I think he can bring it back, and I think the Pac-12 is still in flux right now. I know what Washington's doing, but UCLA is struggling. Other schools are going up and down, so I don't think it's a lost cause out there.
Okay, so Tom Herman, Ed Ogeron, Willie Taggart.